This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Testprepadda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Dear students, in the previous session of sets, we talked about two methods to represent a set. One tabular form, another set builder form. This session, I will start with the discussion of empty set. First of all, what is empty set? Mathematically, how do we define empty set? The definition. As the name suggests, empty set, a set which does not contain any element is called empty set. Empty set is also called null set or void set. This empty set is represented with a symbol phi, Phi. We also represent this empty set with curly brackets, nothing inside it. Okay, now number of elements of set phi. Number of elements of set phi is written as this, and that is equal to 0, means it does not contain any element. Okay, for example, consider a box, empty box, a box with nothing in it. Similarly, you consider a cupboard with nothing inside. Now, if I define a set which contains states of India, I will define this in set builder form as set A. You can see all values of x such that x is the name of state in India. Now this set has finite number of elements. This set has finite number of elements. But now if I define another set B, you can see set B all values of x such that x is the name of state in India begin with letter Z. Now if you go and check, there is no state in India that begins with letter Z. That is why we can say set B. Set B does not contain any element. That is why this will be considered as empty set. Okay, now I'll take another example here. Consider a set C is equal to all values of x such that x square plus 2 is equal to 0 and x is a real number. Now x square plus 2, x square plus 2, this can never be equal to 0. We cannot find any real value of x for which x square plus 2 is 0. That is why we'll say this set C is empty set. Okay, now I'll take another example. Consider a set D that is equal to all values of x such that x is an even prime number greater than 2. Now you all are aware of prime numbers. We know that 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. And here in the set it is written that prime number, even prime number should be greater than 2. Okay, so we cannot take 2 here. And that is why this set D will be considered as empty set. Okay, so this way we had defined the empty set, a set which does not contain any element. Got it? Now, I had already discussed finite set and infinite set. But here again, I will give you the definitions of finite set and infinite set. First of all, finite set. What is finite set? A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called finite set. We had talked about empty set. So empty set is nothing but a finite set. So finite set means number of elements is definite number of elements. Now what is infinite set? A set which is not finite is called infinite set. I'll take an example. For example, if you take set A, set of vowels. So I'll write this as A, E, I, O, U. How many elements are there in this set? 5. So number of elements we write as Na will be written as 5. That is cardinality of the set. That is 5. If I take another set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many elements are there in this set? 6 elements are there. So cardinality of the set is 6. Now I'll take another set here. Consider a set C. I will write this in the set builder form. All values of x such that x is a natural number. If I write in the roster form, then it will be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now you can see number of elements of this set is not finite. So we can say set of natural numbers as infinite set. Got the idea? Now, dear students, please note that all infinite sets cannot be described in the roster form. Cannot be described in the roster form. Here, the set of natural numbers I have written in set builder form as well as in roster form. But all infinite sets cannot be described in the roster form. For example, real numbers. Real numbers cannot be written in roster form because elements do not follow any particular pattern. Got the idea? Natural numbers you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, but real numbers, many numbers are there between 1 and 2, so we cannot write all those numbers. So they do not follow any particular pattern. So it is not possible to write real numbers or set of real numbers in the roster form. We write that in set builder form. Okay. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.